In this video, I'll show you how you can add your PSN account on the PlayStation portal. Now, once you turn on your PlayStation, you should get to this homepage. All you have to do is press the PS button to proceed. And then from here, you should get to this section whereby you'll be prompted to sign in. So you can use your phone and scan the QR code and sign in to your account, or you can choose to sign in manually. So if you want to sign in manually, simply press the menu button, and then you have to manually type in your email address and password to access your account. So for me, I have my phone nearby, so I'll simply scan the QR code. Now, if for instance you have the PlayStation application installed on your phone, all you have to do is open the PlayStation app on your phone and then tap on the settings wheel icon and then scroll down and find scan QR code. So select that, and then you have to enable the camera access. So tap on that and then allow any permissions on your phone. And then all you have to do is now scan the QR code. So let me just scan it. And then once you scan the QR code, you should see this prompt. Did you just try to sign in on your device? If you want to continue, simply select approve. And then you should see you're all set. Go to your console to continue. Now, once you sign in, you should see this notification, welcome your username. And then there are a couple of permissions that you might read, especially the device data collection. You can simply choose to confirm and continue, or you can simply select modify settings. So for now, I'll just select confirm and continue. And then you should see this section, ways to play on the PlayStation Portal remote player. So to enjoy the benefits of the remote play, you have to connect your PS5 to your PlayStation Portal, or you can simply choose to use cloud streaming. So for now, I'll just select next, and then if you get to this section, expand your play with PlayStation app. So it will prompt you to download the PlayStation app if you want. So you can grab your phone and scan the QR code to download the application. So for now, I'll just select next. And there you go. You've successfully signed in to the PlayStation portal. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.